I'm sure, will set a quick tempo in this game. We get to watch for free. The players are chomping at the bit. I can't wait.
The line-up then for the hosts. Hugo Lloris between the posts. Presnel Kimpembe plays with Rafael Varane at the back. Adrien Rabiot starts with N'Golo Conte in the centre of the park. And the lead striker today is Karim Benzema. Let's have a look at the initial 11 for the visitors. Rui Patricio stands between the posts. Rafael Guerreiro starts with Nelson Semedo in the wide defensive areas. And the focal point in attack today is Cristiano Ronaldo. And the contest begins. Well, much has been made of the way our hosts like to press high up the pitch, really force errors. Lee, can we anticipate seeing more of the same today?
Yeah, I think so, Derek. It's very effective. I mean, if you press as a team, all it takes is one errant pass or a poor first touch and you're in trouble. Obviously, you have to be very, very fit to maintain that over 90 minutes. But in the modern game, that's a basic expectation.
We're getting the ball forward. Mbappe. Hernandez. Here's Mbappe. Now with Benzema. Read it magnificently and intercepted. Well, getting right in their opponent's faces, forcing that hurried clearance, and a throw it'll be. Well, what can they do to stop him running at them? Splendid tackle and a throw-in coming up. Space and time for the cross. A wonderful intervention. From one side of the pitch to the other. Danilo Pereira. Well, he could really get at the opposition. Well, it was a menacing attack, but tidied up. Conte. Griezmann. Paul Pogba. Went in strongly, decisively. Well, being pressed here. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. That's a lovely ball. It needs an accurate cross. And Bernardo Silva has it. Bruno Fernandes. Now with Danilo Pereira. Patient build-up at the moment. Wonderful tackle. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. Ruben Diaz. The ball with Pepe. Renato Sanchez. Well, it was a foul, but good use of advantage by the referee. And Renato Sanchez with it now. But he could run onto it here. Well, I think you could call that an escape. It looked a certain goal. Lucas Hernandez. Benzema. Now Pogba. Mbappe! I don't think the goalkeeper will be complaining about poor finishing like that, Lee.
No, it's not about the goalkeeper, it's about that poor effort. That really is awful.
Pogba, what can he do here? Griezmann. Strong play here on the shielding front. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Playing it short. Well, he went strongly into the challenge, and the result is a throw-in. Not giving him a moment's peace. Griezmann. And still trying to get forward, Griezmann. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Bruno Fernandes. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's with Danilo Pereira. Renato Sanchez. Diogo Jota. And space to cross it. Retaining possession proving difficult. Benzema. Pavard. Oh, lovely ball. Griezmann. And a throw-in it's going to be. Well, the attack promising as it was, scuppered there. Guerrero. Really closing him down here. Renato Sanchez. Cristiano Ronaldo. And he's taken it away. Here's Ronaldo. Really getting stuck in. N'Golo Kanté. Mbappe. It has gone over the touchline for what will be a throw-in. Bruno Fernandes. The ball with Pepe. Well, possibilities in the centre. Guerrero. Diogo Jota. Ronaldo. Here's Ronaldo. And that is offside. And a throw-in forthcoming. Nelson Semedo. Bruno Fernandes. And now Danilo Pereira. Cristiano Ronaldo. Sanchez. It's a perfect challenge. Griezmann. Now Griezmann. Paul Pogba. On to Benzema. N'Golo Kanté. Read it superbly to take back possession. Pepe. Cristiano Ronaldo. Nelson Semedo. Ronaldo. Just cutting off the supply. Griezmann. Could cross it in here. Throw-ins given. Guerrero. Bruno Fernandes has it. It's with Guerrero. And this is Diogo Jota now. And they have possession again. N'Golo Kanté. Benzema. Kanté. Keeping the ball moving. Benzema. Top-class defending. And the keeper can gather. Bruno Fernandes. Here's Renato Sanchez. Chance to do damage. Danilo Pereira. Good pass. Offside by a fraction. Well, couldn't keep it. Well, the conditions look pretty good for the counter-attack. Ronaldo. And Bernardo Silva has it. Really important piece of last-ditch defending. And space for them here on the flank. It needs an accurate cross. Able to clear the danger. Corner kick, though, here. And firing it into the area. Attending to his defensive chores. Kanté. On to Hernandez. Well, he certainly wasn't offside by a mile. Renato Sanchez. Bernardo Silva. Pepe. Ruben Diaz. It's with Bernardo Silva. Ronaldo. And with that, the attack fizzles out. Rafael Varane. Conte now. Lucas Hernandez. Rabiot. Oh, stylish ball. What can they do now? Benzema. Really vital interception. Ruben Diaz. And now Danilo Pereira. Bruno Fernandes. Well read to win possession back. Mbappe. Renato Sanchez. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? Nelson Semedo. Will this corner bear fruit for them? And now the delivery. Not the best clearance. Sanchez. Not an especially strong challenge. And options in the centre. Jota. And now Guerrero. A really top-notch piece of defending. Griezmann. And Pavard on the ball. Wonderful challenge and a throw-in coming up. Diogo Jota. Renato Sanchez. Opportunity in the wide area. Well, no way through. Nelson Semedo. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Danilo Pereira. On to Bruno Fernandes. Must take the lead here. Oh, and he puts away the second chance. Goalkeeper error.
Well, here's the replay. The keeper's made a save, but it's not good enough. It's back into play, but he was first to react, and it's in the back of the net.
A chance to revisit the goal. So the match has restarted. 1-0 here. Rabiot. On to Benzema. Mbappe. Well, far from textbook defending. Slipshod passing. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's with Guerrero. Renato Sanchez. Playing with purpose and control. Excellent challenge. It is to be a throw-in. Opportunity to deliver the cross. Well, I'm not sure if he was playing it to one of his teammates or someone in the stand. Mbappe. Conte. Karim Benzema. And played the pass well. Lucas Hernandez. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. And the cross not quite imaginative enough. Cristiano Ronaldo. It's with Guerrero. Danilo Pereira. Well, he's lost it. Griezmann. On the offensive. Conte. Well, that's not textbook defending. Pavard. And players waiting in the centre. Griezmann. Well, the attack promising as it was. Scuppered there. Danilo Pereira. Here's Ronaldo. Breaking at pace. Untidy on the ball. Pavard. Well, strong play here. Pogba. Now Rabiot. Paul Pogba. Griezmann. Well, it looked highly promising, but they got nothing out of it. Guerrero. Giving the ball away. Moving it forward. Benzema. Chance to play it in, but defensive efficiency there. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance. This corner kick might help them. Well, they're going for the short one. Crossed into the penalty area and clears his lines. Bernardo Silva. Well, there might well be scope for them to counter-attack here. And teammates to play it to. Possession one. Good vision. Can he get onto this? Excellent position taken up by Mbappe. On his own with only the keeper to beat, and still he's missed it.
Well, he had one thought, power. He should have thought composure.
Benzema. And moving through the gears now, Benzema. Karim Benzema. Rabiot. Now Conte. Rabiot. Benzema. And a very good challenge. And the referee blows for a foul. Bruno Fernandes. It's with Danilo Pereira. It's Kimpembe now. Paul Pogba. Now what can they do from here? And so the half-time whistle has gone here at the Parc des Princes in Paris. Well, Diogo Jota caught the eye in that first half, and Lee, I wonder what you made of his contribution. Plenty to consider based on what we've seen so far as the second half begins. And intercepting it. Well, no stopping him. He could pick out a teammate. Bernardo Silva. Well, unable to hold his run, and that's offside. Mbappe. Take it away. Renato Sanchez. It's with Danilo Pereira. The attack continues. They're making considerable progress. Rabiot. Here's Mbappe. Conte. Well, sitting deep like this might be a dangerous game. And a goal kick is the outcome. Good physical play. Paul Pogba. Mbappe. Hernandez. Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. Could be a chance to break here. Oh, nice ball over the top to chase. Can he get the shot off? Wonderful chance. Well, he's such a highly respected goalkeeper, Hugo Lloris. Benzema. Conte now. A chance maybe from the wide position. Hernandez. Pogba might fancy it. Well, he failed to get it away properly. Can they square the game? And it's a goal. Level again. What a match this is turning out to be.
Well, here's the replay, and it's a terrible effort at clearing your lines, giving the ball away. And from there, they never recover, and the coach will be tearing his hair out.
Even Steven, one apiece on this match. Diogo Jota. Renato Sanchez. Here's Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes. And a strong tackle. Intelligent threaded pass here. A really top-notch piece of defending. And they are on the move again. How about the cross? Now Paul Pogba. But it can't get through. And he's won the ball. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. Bruno Fernandes. An incisive pass. Renato Sanchez. And it's in! They're back in front. Stunning scenes here.
Well, here it is again. You're trained from a young age to get in those sort of positions, and never in any real doubt he'd finish that. Cool and composed.
Well, as they kick off again, 2-1 the current state of affairs. Mbappe. Ball's gone. Renato Sanchez. Pavard. Paul Pogba. N'Golo Kanté. Nice looking pass. Well, they continue their push for the equaliser, but definitely not forcing it. Nicely timed tackle. Well, disappointing end to the move. Paul Pogba. Plenty of options. It's been aimed towards the front post. Well, the crossing needs to be a bit better than that. Renato Sanchez. Here's Ronaldo. Well, a good tackle. Cristiano Ronaldo. Under pressure, doesn't seem to be bothering him. Bruno Fernandes. A very effective clearance. Kanté. And we're inside the final 30 minutes. Griezmann. On to Benzema. Mbappe. Ruben Diaz. In a position from which they could potentially do a bit of damage here. N'Golo Kanté. Opportunity in the wide area. Masterful piece of foiling. Nelson Semedo. And now Danilo Pereira. Cristiano Ronaldo. Defensive efficiency personified. N'Golo Kanté. Pogba has it. Wonderful challenge and a throw-in coming up. Pavard. Will he play it in? Griezmann. And players waiting at the far post. Well, no pressure on the keeper. Poor cross. Ronaldo feeds it. It's been given away here by Ronaldo. And plenty of scope to be creative in that wide position. Pogba. Pavard with it. A goal! Real excitement. A back and forth type of game. Now they're level.
Well, here's the replay, and it all starts with the delivery into the box, just begging for someone to get on the end of it. And he gets up for the header, and quite frankly, it's a lovely finish. Brilliant goal.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. And level again here. This has been quite the roller coaster ride. Ruben Diaz. Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, they get the ball once more. Well, they've lost the ball. Good physical play. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. Danilo Pereira. Still pushing for that goal that would see them forge ahead. Ronaldo. And back with Bruno Fernandes. Really vital interception. Bodies forward and the break looks on. Kanté. N'Golo Kanté. Mbappe with it. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. Have they given him too much space? And Paul Pogba waiting to fire. Well, a poor ball and easy for the keeper. Danilo Pereira. Ronaldo. Well-timed tackle. This might be the perfect counter-attacking opportunity. We're now inside the final 20 minutes of the game. A very good tackle. Oh, that's a pass of high quality. Not out of the woods yet.
Well, Derek, the tactics for both sides are simple. Attack. They're both trying to win the game, creating chances. It's a brilliant game.
Ruben Diaz. Here's Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes. And they'll get ready for the throw-in. Well, they are committed to making the substitution here. Danilo Pereira. Cristiano Ronaldo. Benzema. Well, when you sit off like this, you invite pressure. Hernandez. A chance maybe from the wide position. Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. Danilo Pereira. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, he needed to read it to get there, and did. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Guerrero. Well, the attacking options appear plentiful. They couldn't maintain possession. Danilo Pereira. Bruno Fernandes. Oh, nice ball. It's neat passing, confidence on the ball. And he read it well. Pogba. On to Tolisso. Pavard. Tolisso. Here's Mbappe. Well, possession ceded. It did appear that they might be onto something, but not so. Paul Pogba. Conte has it. Excellent use of the ball as they make their way forward. And the cross not quite imaginative enough. Elects to go short. He's in control of the situation. Guerrero. Far from a good pass. In behind for him to chase. He's in behind the defence here. Alas, a wild, wild attempt.
Well, after that effort, I'm not sure whether he's right or left-footed.
Bruno Fernandes. Bernardo Silva. Well, forward they go again. Can they win this? Is this the moment? Top-notch defending, but the chance still there. Jota. A matter of keeping his composure. Lightning-fast reflexes to preserve the parity.
I thought it was going to be the winner, but hats off to the keeper.
And the substitution will occur now. And firing it into the area. Must take the lead here. Dear, he squandered it.
Well, with time running out, you couldn't ask for a better opportunity. I can't see them getting another one.
N'Golo Conte. Pogba has it. Karim Benzema. Level pegging, but can they change that? Mbappe into the middle. Well, quite simply, the cross was too close to the keeper. Palinha. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, they need to get tighter. Very quick thinking there. Lucas Hernandez. Untidy in possession. Shot attempted. Not the easiest of situations for the keeper. Well, the teams are level, and every corner counts at this juncture. Over it comes. A deft clearance. Bruno Fernandes. Flag raised for offside. Unable to keep the ball. Diogo Jota. Tension building, still level. After the foul, a chance to contemplate what is next, and perhaps a goal from this free kick. Time for a change then. Just had to keep his concentration to the maximum, and he did. Well, this corner could be pivotal. It might represent the last chance to get in front in the dying moments. It's a short one. The delivery. Well, he read that brilliantly at the back. Kimpembe. And snuffing out the danger.
Well, the visitors very much dictating the tempo over the last 15 minutes or so. Someone needs to be brave now in order to go and win this game. Who's it going to be?
Nelson Semedo. All even, but will it stay that way? Tremendously strong in the tackle. Can they hit on the break? End product or not. Dembele with the cross. And you need your defender to take charge. Well, this is far from over. We're going to have 5 minutes of stoppage time. Good movement. Bruno Fernandes. Jota. Oh, surely! This is why we adore this game. Late drama, and now they're in front.
Well, it looks like the game is over, but no, there's another chance. And there it is, back of the net. It looks like the winner. Well, here's the replay with the clock ticking down. Has he won the game for his team? Cool, calm and collected. He deserves that. Brilliant finish.
Well, neutrals are getting their money's worth. 3-2 in this match. Mbappe. They've got to be really mindful of the time situation, attacking though they might be. Went in strongly, decisively. Bernardo Silva. Physically strong and secure on the ball. Nelson Semedo. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. And a chance to whip it in here. Palinha. Guerreiro. And here's Danilo Pereira. And giving it away. And the counter-attack is on, options available. Showing a real desire to win it back. Bernardo Silva. Well, let's see if something comes of this. And thumped away. Excellent ball over the top. Excellent position taken up by Mbappe. Benzema. And no-nonsense defensive clearance. A really effective shielding under pressure. Tackling and winning the ball to boot. Andre Silva. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors, Lee.
Wow, what a finish. The emotions will be running high right now on both sides. Euphoria on one and total dejection.
Well, the rain has come in and apparently has no intention of departing here at the Parc des Princes. My name is Derek Ray. With me in the commentary position is the former Arsenal and England defender Lee Dixon. And if the game is as enticing on the pitch as it looks on paper, we're not going to be disappointed. It's France up against Portugal.
Yeah, thanks, Derek. Should be a good game, this one. I always wanted to start the game on the front foot, fast play, force the opposition to respond. Hopefully we get that from the start of this match.
And they know they need to stop him. Griezmann. Fair play to the keeper. He really anticipated that moment of subtlety.
Well, he came off his line. He gave the space behind, but what a good save in the end.
Determined defending. Bruno Fernandes. Renato Sanchez. Oh, lovely ball. Good technique displayed. And Renato Sanchez with it now. Here's Bernardo Silva. And a goal! An early boost for them. The first goal of the game. They're off and running.
Well, Derek, the keeper's not going to want to see the replay of this. Completely caught out at his near post. Shocker.
Well, let's have another view of that goal. So the match has restarted, 1-0 here. Mbappe. On to Hernandez. Rabiot. Hernandez. Conte. Paul Pogba. Beautifully timed. Bernardo Silva. Bruno Fernandes. It's with Guerrero. Ronaldo. That is a moment he would dearly love to have back if possible.
Yeah, it wasn't his best effort, was it? But I bet he thought, I haven't got anything on, why not try a shot?
Guerrero. And a throw-in forthcoming. Pogba. Paul Pogba. Conte now. Mbappe. Hernandez. On attacking possibilities. And foul it is then. Into the box it goes. Well, he wasn't messing around with the clearance. Guerrero. And Bernardo Silva has it. Crucial block from Varane. Still possibilities. Oh, and he puts away the second chance. But the goalkeeper angry with himself here.
Well, let's have a look at that replay. As a defender, or all the defenders in the box, you've got to be a pessimist. You've got to expect something bad to happen. It's back off the keeper, and now it's in the back of the net.
So 2-0 now. N'Golo Conte. Here's Mbappe. Karim Benzema. And a free kick awarded by the referee. Well, in fairness, not the greatest of headers. N'Golo Conte. Pogba. Oh, they have it again. Danilo Pereira. And possession given away. And it crossed the byline, a goal kick as a result. Bruno Fernandes. Here's Renato Sanchez. Diogo Jota. No danger here as he runs at them. Jota. Sanchez. And the pass, a good one. And the emphasis is on creativity. Now Paul Pogba. Could pull one back here. Keeper getting the touch. Rabiot. Conte. Pavard with it. Fluency of movement. He takes aim. It's still alive. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Danilo Pereira. Can they hit on the break? And now Danilo Pereira. Bruno Fernandes has it. Well, an easy one to cut out, really. Rabiot. Now with Benzema. Renato Sanchez. Danilo Pereira. Jota. Firing it in. Excellent block. And he takes it away. Well, he's lost the ball. Effective pressure to regain possession. Bruno Fernandes. That is a moment he would dearly love to have back if possible.
Yeah, it wasn't his best effort, was it? But I bet he thought, I haven't got anything on, why not try a shot?
Paul Pogba. Benzema. Now Griezmann. Paul Pogba. He has time to play it over. Committed challenge. Maximum commitment, and he's given away the corner. And firing it into the area. Well, snuffing out the danger, but a corner coming up. Playing it short. And the cross into the middle. Aware of the threat, solving the problem. Well, there might well be scope for them to counter-attack here. Nelson Semedo. And that'll be offside. Danilo Pereira. And it's Ruben Dias. Renato Sanchez. Bruno Fernandes.
Well, they've not been at the races today. It's as simple as that. The coach must be mystified. I know the crowd are certainly making themselves heard. Too many mistakes. Not enough heart or endeavour for me.
Lucas Hernandez. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Mbappe. Here's Hernandez. Benzema. And options in the centre. And a throw-in it's going to be. Pavard. Well, they couldn't take advantage of the opportunity. Bruno Fernandes. Bernardo Silva. And breaking at pace with menace. And back with Bernardo Silva. The ball with Pepe. Cristiano Ronaldo. Pure ball control. Can he make it count? And that's the hat-trick! Tearing apart this defence time and again. They simply can't handle him.
Well, here we'll see it again. Some lovely quality passing. Fluid as you like. And then he does well to read the flight of the ball, doesn't he? Just cushions it beyond the keeper in the end. And that seems to catch him off guard. Nice finish.
Is this going to be a thrashing? 3-0 now. Conte. Well, it was completely miscontrolled. A lot of forward thrust here from Ronaldo. Now, what can he do from this excellent position? Ronaldo.
The visitors have had total control of possession. If you don't control the ball in midfield, it's very difficult to have enough of the ball to create chances for your strikers, and really has been a dominant performance.
Pogba. Throw-ins given. Nelson Semedo. Renato Sanchez. Here's Ronaldo. Chance to do damage. Well, they keep passing away. Ronaldo. Wonderful block. Closing down well. And over comes the corner. Sanchez. Bernardo Silva. Oh, they have it again. Mbappe. Rabiot. Pavard. Kimpembe. Karim Benzema. They've regained possession. Bernardo Silva. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. A chance for him to get in behind, maybe. He's in here. It has to be, surely. Another goal! The lead grows to 4 now. A rampant display.
Well, here's the replay, Derek, and the defensive coach will be all over this one. Shocking defending. There's so much time for the strikers. That can't be right.
Blistering first half display, and just look at that score. N'Golo Conte. This is looking threatening. They do pass the ball with authority. Possession changes hands, the interception there. Well, the perfect tackle, really. And now a throw-in. Well, it was a very good-looking move, but alas, no end product. Cristiano Ronaldo. This might be ideal for the counter. And they'll regard that as a very disappointing end to the move. Pavard. Griezmann. And Pavard on the ball. Might be able to get in behind the defence. Oh, a perfectly timed pass. Pogba, the delighted scorer. Well, it's one thing knowing what he can do. It's another thing altogether, attempting to stop him.
Well, here's the replay, and as we can see, the defence can't cope with the through ball, and he chooses to use power in the finish. Not much chance for the keeper when it's hit that hard.
Goals in plentiful supply. 4-1 currently. Danilo Pereira. Diogo Jota. Well, they keep working away, looking for passing lanes. Danilo Pereira. Good-looking ball. Well, that's a splendid piece of challenging. Lucas Hernandez. Now with Benzema. And a good-looking ball. He knew he had to make the tackle, and did. Ruben Diaz. Cristiano Ronaldo. Bruno Fernandes has it. Bruno Fernandes. Takes the shot. Easy catch for Lloris to make. Danilo Pereira. The ball with Pepe. Good-looking sequence. And whipped into the box. And the danger is averted. N'Golo Conte. Here's Mbappe. Rabiot. Lucas Hernandez. Mbappe. Now with Benzema. Pulls it back. Well, you know, I don't think the goalkeeper will be the slightest bit bothered by that effort.
Well, he won't want to watch that on the replay, I tell you. He was way, way wide there.
Pepe. Now with Danilo Pereira. Cristiano Ronaldo. Can they take advantage? And that is how to block. Well, technically offside, but not by a lot. Pavard. Pogba has it. Griezmann. And the pass has been made to Paul Pogba. Pogba unable to keep the ball. Could be a chance to break here. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? And a throw-in it's going to be. Pogba. It's Kimpembe now. Griezmann. He's found a pocket of space. Options in the middle. Griezmann. Conte. The supporters want to see him have a go. Just couldn't get it through. Well, he could really get at the opposition. That's excellent defending following the cross. Well, there's a reason why we're highlighting Cristiano Ronaldo. He's been very creative out there, Lee.
Well, he's been brilliant today. He's caused that back line all sorts of problems, shifting him around that box, and then getting his shots away. Absolutely fantastic.
The electronic board has been held in the air, and we're going to have a minimum of 4 added minutes. Bernardo Silva. Oh, nice ball. Diogo Jota. Could play it in. And smart defending. Karim Benzema. And there might well be scope for them to counter-attack here. Hernandez. Crossing possibilities. Rabiot. Antoine Griezmann waiting. Simple catch, really. Bruno Fernandes. Bernardo Silva. Here's Ronaldo. Good-looking attack launched by Ronaldo here. Foiling them effectively. Danilo Pereira. Bruno Fernandes. Easy catch for Lloris to make. Rabiot. Mbappe. Hernandez. Conte. And that is that for the first half here in the French capital. Well, no doubt about it, Lee. Cristiano Ronaldo in that first half, deserving all the superlatives.
Well, the saying in the theatre, take a bow, that's exactly what he should be doing after that first half performance. Just giving the man of the match award now. Sensational.
And Renato Sanchez with it now. And a goal! An early boost for them. The first goal of the game. They're off and running. Crucial block from Varane. Still possibilities. Oh, and he puts away the second chance. But the goalkeeper angry with himself here. Well, in fairness, not the greatest of headers. The two teams have switched around and are ready now for the second half. Conte. Now Griezmann. And play halted, free kick given. He's been admonished by the referee. He's now got to walk something of a tightrope.
Yeah, he knows exactly where he stands. Look at the referee, how he's told him off there. No yellow card, but certainly knows what the referee's thinking.
Rabiot. Unable to keep the ball. And the counter-attack is on. Options available. Bernardo Silva. Definitely look as though they want to make this move count. Ronaldo. And making the move to the inside. Possession one. Karim Benzema. Conte now. Oh, he's given it away. Palinha. Renato Sanchez. A really effective shielding under pressure. Benzema. Mbappe. Did look as though they had attacking momentum, but not so. Bruno Fernandes. Nelson Semedo has it. And Palinha with it. And scope for them to produce something exciting. Terrific block there. Benzema. Now Griezmann. Pogba. And Pogba! And danger still. Well, it came to nothing in the end. Bernardo Silva. Nelson Semedo has it. Cristiano Ronaldo. Well, the flag has gone off. It was really close. Palinha. Bernardo Silva. Bernardo Silva losing out to his opponent. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Untidy on the ball there, Nelson Semedo. Oh, great vision. Mbappe. Blocked by Pepe. It's a short corner. That's a wonderful block from Pepe. Now, how about the short corner? Blocked by Pepe. And firing it to the near post.
Well, listen to that, Derek. They think it was a nailed-on pen. The ref didn't know.
Determined defending. Good physical play. Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo. Firing it towards goal. Well, it wasn't a taxing save. Conte. Pogba has it. Well, he's made the pass, and it's for Antoine Griezmann. Now Paul Pogba. And the cross is very much on. Well, dealt with that ball comfortably. It might be perfectly set up for the counter-attack, you know. They need to get bodies back. Looks as though they might make real progress on the counter-attack. Not so. Mbappe. Doing well to keep possession. Oh, not hard to read that pass. Diogo Jota. Jota. Oh, that's a pass of high quality. Well, the keeper committed himself. A chance for them to provide a test in the form of a corner. Well, they've decided to make a change. And firing it into the area. Crucial intervention just then amid impending danger. Showing plenty of defensive acumen and conceding the throw-in. Guerrero. And space here on the flank. Guerrero. And Palinha with it. Superbly read and executed. Now can they counter clinically? Conte. Hernandez. Really good block. Bernardo Silva. Nelson Semedo has it. Palinha. It's with Bernardo Silva. Bruno Fernandes. Crisp tackling. Olivier Giroud. This is Varane. Giroud. Oh, great vision. Well, he's thwarted him almost effortlessly. Palinha. Here's Renato Sanchez. Good strength to keep the ball. Bernardo Silva. On to Bruno Fernandes. Bernardo Silva. Chance maybe. And at the second time of asking, it's a goal. The keeper, meanwhile, looks to the heavens.
Well, as we see this again, Derek, it's easy to be critical, and I'll stress I've never been a goalkeeper, but surely he's got to do better than that. His mistake leads to the goal, no doubt about it.
A glut of goals. 5-1 it is. He's protecting it well. Well, they've given him too much space. And a strong tackle. He's found a pocket of space. Options in the centre. Bruno Fernandes. And Bernardo Silva has it. Lost possession. Can they hit on the break? Nelson Semedo. Totally fooled him. Olivier Giroud. Tolisso. Pogba. Happy to take on the shot. That's a routine take. Well, let's get more details on the injury situation from our pitchside reporter, Jeff Shreves.
Looks like he's got a problem with his calf, but he hasn't asked to come off the field yet.
Cheers, Jeff. Andre Silva. Nelson Semedo. Space and time for the cross. However, up a dead end. Could be a chance to break here. Will it be sufficiently imaginative? Shown inside. Now Paul Pogba. Pavard. Griezmann has the strength to hang on to it. Pogba. Throw-ins given. Guerrero. On the ball, Ruben Dias. So 20 minutes to go. Giroud. Now Conte. Dembele. Conte. Here's Mbappe. Dembele. They've given it away. Pogba. Dembele. Still could be dangerous. press. Well, they survived the attack. Oh, what an opportunity. Big chance it is. Well, good defending, clattered out of there. And a throw-in forthcoming. Palinha. Andre Silva with it. Nelson Semedo. Andre Silva. And smart defending. Hernandez. Lucas Hernandez. But after that fantastic effort, it's gone out for a throw-in. Over the touchline for a throw-in. Ruben Neves. Palinha. And Palinha with it. Ruben Neves. And return to Neves. Excellent ball over the top. Moving the ball effectively, looking for the right moment. Dembele. Inside the last quarter of an hour. Mbappe. Hernandez. It needs an accurate cross. Attending to his defensive chores. Well, that's gone out, and it is going to be a goal kick. Pepe. Bernardo Silva. Andre Silva. Hanging on to the ball in this fashion suits them. And it crossed the touchline, so a throw in here. Ruben Diaz. And Palinha with it. Nelson Semedo. Oh, a fine block. And now the delivery. Well, strongly fisted away. Palinha. Bernardo Silva. And Palinha with it. It's with Bernardo Silva. Couldn't keep it. Pavard. And he's made headway. That's a wonderful block from Pepe. Well, we don't often say this, but Kylian Mbappe hasn't had too much to say for himself, Lee.
Well, he needs something to change. His impact on the game has been negligible. His team down, need him to spark into life quickly.
Short corner favoured. Dembele with the cross. And taken away. And the referee has pointed to the spot. Penalty given. Well, that could be his final rebuke, I think, and the referee's making that absolutely clear.
I like that, Derek. Good refereeing. Nice and strong. Told the player exactly what he was thinking.
And confidently converted.
Well, here's the replay, and it's almost a perfect penalty. The keeper's guessed right, but it's tucked far into the corner and virtually impossible to save. A top penalty.
Ruben Neves. Careless in possession. N'Golo Conte. Pressure exerted, but he keeps the ball. Well, possibilities inside the box. Tolisso and Giroud now at the controls. The keeper was up to the task.
Well, it's a decent effort, but a real opportunity goes begging there.
Ruben Neves. Here's Renato Sanchez. Oh, nice ball over the top. Bernardo Silva. And Palhinha with it. Bernardo Silva. Now they've lost it. Oh, what's he gone and done? Kimpembe. It's with Giroud. And a throw-in forthcoming. Nelson Semedo. Read it superbly to take back possession. Pogba. And they continue to advance, and a lot of options here. Credit to them for winning back possession. Palhinha. Nelson Semedo. As clean as a whistle, that challenge. N'Golo Conte. Dembele. And Pavard on the ball. Paul Pogba. Committed challenge. And Bernardo Silva has it. Oh, nice work to get past his opponent. Untidy in possession. Well, the timing a little bit off. Bernardo Silva. It's with Ruben Neves. Oh, tremendous vision. Nelson Semedo. That's a nice-looking ball. Couldn't grab hold of it. Much more straightforward for the keeper this time, but previously he had work to do.
Well, double bubble. He gets the ball in the end, but the first save he makes, absolutely brilliant.
Well, this is far from over. We're going to have 5 minutes of stoppage time. Conte. Dembele on the ball. No danger here as he runs at them. Pogba. Doing well to keep possession. Thumped clear. Giroud. And there it is, a goal. But will it be purely a consolation at this stage of the proceedings? They haven't been at their best.
Well, here's the replay, and the keeper knows that near post should be his, but he left a gap and he got punished.
Slightly different vantage point in terms of the goal that was scored. Not a scoreline we see all that often. 5-3. Ruben Neves. Pass after pass, happy to just keep possession and frustrate their opponents. Dembele. And Palhinha with it. N'Golo Conte. Hernandez. Mbappe. And here's Dembele. And a strong tackle. Oh, lovely weighted ball. They might be in. On and on he goes. Can he take the chance? Oh, incredible save, and he snuffed out any sign of danger. Dembele. Oh, and a perfect ball now. How about this? Kylian Mbappe, does he mean business? Absolutely spot on with that challenge. And that is that. The referee blows his whistle for full time, and it's a victory for the visitors, Lee.
Yeah, fairly comfortable in the end, wasn't it? Thought they controlled the middle of the park for most of the game, and going forward there was some really lovely play too. Good result that was.
Crucial block from Varane. Still possibilities. Oh, and he puts away the second chance, but the goal